Hey, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, this is what we're doing. We bought this, Aiden and I, Thai kitchen red curry paste. It's authentic, supposedly, and it's vegan, and the little pepper meter on the side says it's hot. So if you go to, what is it, thaikitchen.com, you can look up all sorts of recipes. I'm not doing a recipe, and there really is no directions on how to use this, but you can use it in 1,000 million different things. What I want to do is I want to make it into a marinade, put it on some chicken thighs, and cook it on the grill. What grill? I don't know. We're going to go ahead and do this. Come on over here, Aiden. Aiden, it's All Guys Show. And this will be a review video for the week slash cook because the ladies aren't interested because they're not really fond of dark meat. So I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just going to take out a big spoonful and see how it goes. I am going to add some rice vinegar to it. And what I'm looking to do is just basically thin it out and coat the chicken. Again, there's no directions on how to do this. This is kind of just my thought process and a little bit of olive oil, and we'll see how that does. We just need enough to coat the chicken. Dark meat, boneless, skinless thighs is what we got. 2.5 pounds. So I'm going to need more than that. I really don't remember how much this costs. Uh, it was fairly expensive for this size jar, and a little bit more of each. And I want to just be able to get it coated on that. Boy, this bottle is trouble. There we go. And marinate overnight. And then we're going to cook up some rice. And Aiden and I will be enjoying this for lunch. And we'll let you know tomorrow or in a couple minutes what we think of this. Yep, there it is. I probably should have brought out a bigger spoon, but we're going to try that out. I can smell it. It smells good. Smells hot. Smell it, Aiden.
Smells good.
Yeah. Uh, we've been wanting to do, Aiden and I have been wanting to do Indian curry. We haven't quite figured that out because Aiden's real good at looking up recipes and finding things out on the World Wide Web. Let's do this. See if I can master this without making too much of a mess. Yeah, Indian curry. So we're still going to work on that a little bit. Now I thought about cooking this and cutting it up and cooking it in the wok. Oh, there's a pesky fly. Okay, too good to be true. Let's see how this does. If I need to make up some more, I'll go ahead and do that off camera. But we just want to get it coated. Now, tomorrow when I actually do the cook, yeah, this ought to work. I'm going to make a little bit more and I want to brush it on. Now, we don't mind spicy food. So I'm real curious. I mean, you could smell the heat just as we're making this marinade. All right, actually should be pretty good. With that, I'll work it a little bit more off camera and take the air out of the bag before all those pesky flies start showing up here. And then, like I said, it's Tuesday evening. We'll let it marinate overnight and come out here, cook it mid-morning. And Aiden and I will eat this with some basmati rice. We like basmati, and I think this will be good. And we're going to find out if the Thai Kitchen brand red curry paste says it's authentic. Got this at Walmart. You can buy it on Amazon. See if it's any good. All right, that's what we got for you. We'll see you back here in a little bit. Peace. Hello, hello. We are back. We're going to do this on the Old Smoky. Our chicken thighs have been marinating overnight. I've got all the dogs out here. Don't worry about that. We're going to do, like I said, on the Old Smoky. So we got some Kingsford charcoal set to one side. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get these thighs. I just took them out of the bag and transferred them onto into this little baking tin to kind of get them spread out already, so we're not messing around with that on camera. Like I said, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Are they as pretty as chicken breast? No, not at all. But they're good. They're good. And so, yeah, we're just going to grill these up. And really the whole idea behind this video is to see what we think about this store-bought Thai curry paste. Put that there. Now I am going to go ahead and I made up a little bit more. The same, some rice vinegar and some olive oil. Just going to brush them on through the cook. Now I will not make you stay here and watch me do all this. We're going to cook them to the proper internal temperature of 650 degrees. So the bacteria is gone. Yeah, they look good and they smell good. And that's what's important. We do have basmati rice. Aiden prepared that this morning in our little rice cooker. And we'll be having that with some nice green onions on top. And we're looking forward to this. You don't really need to see them cook. I'll check back here in a minute. And when we give them a flip and put a little bit more of that marinade sauce mix on there and get them to, the proper temperature and give them a try. There's Sebastian, Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Come on back here in a second. Peace. We're back. Time to flip. There's our chicken. It's smelling really good. So I got the coals on this side, so I'm just going to do a little transfer around. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's looking good. Put some of these smaller pieces on the cooler side and some of the bigger pieces right over the coals. It's been about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes at the most. And like I said, we're just using Kingsford charcoal. Used a whole chimney worth. And yeah, it's smelling real good. Smelling real good. Dark meat. Tasty, tasty. On this side, I'm going to go ahead and use up the rest of my mixture to coat. And I think for just this one cook, I mean, I used probably half of that jar of red curry paste for this. Now, I've seen recipes, you can do a lot of different things with red curry paste. I've even seen people take a spoonful out and put it in soups for some added flavor. So yeah, if you're interested in this product, go to thaikitchen.com and you'll see all sorts of things you can do. This isn't necessarily, an authentic Asian dish here. What we really wanted to do was do some grilling and try this out since we had it. And we got the rice cooking. And I had a fact check. I talked earlier about Aiden cooking up some basmati rice. Basmati. It's not. It's regular rice. Nevertheless, it'll be the same. Kind of like the debate last night. Donald Trump got fact checked left and right. I guess it was time for me too. So just regular, good old white rice. It'll be good. We're going to let this cook, like I said, till we get to that internal temperature. We're going to plate it up with some rice, get a thumbnail, and then give it a taste test. I asked Aiden if he wanted to go ahead and do it. It's difficult. I think I might cut him off a piece of chicken because I want you to hear what he has to say too. So we'll work that out when we come back. Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. It's a beautiful day. Peace. Okay, guys, there you go. That's our thumbnail. It smells real good cooking. Like I said, Aiden and I are going to test this. I'm not going to cut into that. There's a couple little nuggets here that we'll go ahead and try. I'm going to give one to Aiden. And I don't have my microphone on, so you can hear Aiden's reaction too. And then I'll go ahead and give this piece a try. You ready? Mm-hmm. Cheers. Well, the flavor is good. I expected more heat. I like the flavor, but I expected more. How about you?
Doesn't have a whole lot of flavor.
Yeah,
It's like it's good, but there's just not a lot of flavor.
yeah, not a lot.
It's not spicy either.
No,
I
it's
don't
not.
notice any spice.
Yeah, and for marinating it overnight, I thought it would be a little bit more flavor. The spice is hardly even there. The flavor is good. Don't get me wrong, but and it looks beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and eat it because it's good. It's just like Aiden said, a little underwhelming. We'll add some soy sauce and whatnot to it to doctor it up a little bit, but overall, there's our opinion on Thai kitchen red curry paste in a jar. Um, yeah, okay, not great. But I'm sure if you add more ingredients and make a recipe out of it, it may be different. But okay, that's what we got for you this week. Poor guy out there cooking. His friend over there, Aiden. Friend, son. Like, comment, subscribe. Be cool. Peace.